Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial 3 different ways to create a list on the reminders application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the reminders application which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad. Go to the reminders application. Search for this. Press enter to open up the application. And now the first way to create a list is to go to the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on add list. Now let's just say CSV, short for Computer Science Videos. Change the color to, let's just say, green. That's the first way to create a list. Go to the top navigation menu on the toolbar, File, New List. Let's just say Videos. Now change the color to red. Okay. And there's a shortcut that will allow us to create a list. So Command Shift and N. Let's name the list Hello World. And change the color to, let's just say, orange. Okay, and there we have it, our 3 lists that we created using bottom left corner, toolbar, and a command. So we can now quit reminders. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.